So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your Google Ads leads into Microsoft Excel automatically. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to select this trigger and go towards this choose app. For the application, search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, select it as new lead form entry and you're going to receive this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and follow the steps below in order to create a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. Open your Google Ads campaign. Make sure that you're connecting your lead form inside Google Ads campaign with Pabbly Connect only. After you open this lead form, you have to scroll and in the end you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this, you're going to see the option of this webhook URL. So paste the webhook URL which you copied from your workflow right over here. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So open your workflow and as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured this webhook response. As you can see, we have captured the company name, the string value which is the phone number, the email and then the first name, last name. So yes, as you can see that we have captured these test details because my campaign is in draft mode. I'm not running a live campaign. That's the reason that we have captured these test details. So now you have two options. First of all, you can create this automation using the test details and it is going to run perfectly fine for the real leads too. But now if you want to create this automation only with the help of real lead details, you can click on this recapture webhook response, wait until you receive a real lead, and once you're going to receive a real lead, automatically the webhook response will be captured and you can create this automation using the real lead details. But I'll suggest you can create this with the test details and it is going to run perfectly fine with the real lead details too. Now you have to go towards this action and select the action application as Microsoft Excel. For the event, you have to select it as this add rows to worksheet my drive /site items and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Microsoft Excel. Now after clicking on this connect with Microsoft Excel, first of all you have to make sure that your Excel account is logged in, which is your Microsoft account is logged in. But not, then first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you can create this connection. After you log in your account, what you have to do is you have to scroll and you have to give the consent on the behalf of your organization, which is Pabbly's permissions. You have to give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for and click on this accept. You can give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Once you click on this accept, your Microsoft Excel account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And after creating the connection between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect, what you have to do is one by one you have to add the lead details right over here in your Microsoft Excel sheet. So to do this, first let's wait for a few seconds till it is saving this connection. After creating this connection, you have to select the workbook and the worksheet right over here in which you want to add the lead details, and then one by one enter the details of your lead. But we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that I've successfully entered all the details right over here, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Once I'm going to click on this save and send test request, which is going to wait for a few seconds till the details are getting added over here, and as you can see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Microsoft Excel. Alright, so let's open our Microsoft Excel, and as you can see the details have been added, be it the first name, last name, phone number, or the email address. All the details are added right over here, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details of the same lead will be added in Microsoft Excel. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.